Hey everybody, welcome back to Mrs. Rattlecan's house. I am James. We are almost live, and this is the week in review number 41. The Asian room has been stained. It has turned out to be a much more even application by just wiping it on and then wiping it right off. We have also had very little problem with back staining, which are those little black blobs that come up from in between the cracks. I haven't had, basically had no problems with that at all. So that is going on in this. You'll notice it's kind of dark in the house because we have the air conditioner off, even though it's going to be 80 something degrees today, because of course we're laying down top coats and we don't want the air conditioner blowing dust around while we're doing that. I have put on 2 coats of poly, and I have sanded this off. Be careful, kids. It can be really easy to sand through your 2 coats and go through your stain coat. Ask me how I know this. And what else is kind of going on? My son's coming over today, my oldest son, and we are going to work on resolving the hood. He and his lovely bride stopped over last night. We chit-chatted for a little bit. He'll be over this morning. We're going to take care of that. We're also going to install the water softener and the whole house filter. We're going to do that this morning. Mrs. Rattlecan has been crazy busy. She has cleaned all of the errant thin set off of this backsplash, and as you can see, I had one that was chipped, so I have hammered that out of there, which is great fun. And so I'll have to put that one back in. Should probably do that today, because the plan is once I get the top coats on the floors at the conclusion of today, actually we may start that tomorrow so I can get 2 coats on in the same day and not have to sand in between coats. And then we can get the grout in on this, and then that opens up like a whole another can of worms. Anyways, for the most part, that is what's going on here. I had to mow the farm yesterday because my normal lawnmower person is on a jazz band trip in the great city of Chicago. So anyways, short and sweet, that's been what's going on. We've initiated some chemical warfare on the ground squirrel vermin that are infesting our outside areas. We do not want them chewing through the fuel line of the truck again, because that was less than fun. Anyways, that's what's going on. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm James. Cheers.